foodie bay, food tech major ZOMATO has today delivered a piping hot listing, making its Dalal Street debut at 116 rupees a share. That's a 53% premium over the issue price. The stellar listing has helped the company enter the coveted club of companies that have a market cap of over 1 lakh crore rupees. The listing that was advanced by 4 days comes at a time when India's stock markets are near all-time highs. My colleague Mangalam Malu joins us now to capture the first day of trade for ZOMATO. Mangalam, Z-Day.
But it was a watershed moment, a strong listing for ZOMATO, the first commerce concept stock on the Indian bourses. The stock opened 60% higher than its issue price and closed at 126, which is 66% higher than the issue price of 76 rupees. Remember, there was a clamor for buying as the issue was subscribed by 38 times already. The company on debut also crossed the coveted 1 trillion rupees mark, or 1 lakh crore rupees mark in terms of market cap. Just be mindful of the valuations though, as it's now trading at 18 times FY23 estimated price to sales, which is actually 3 times what other global peers trade at, and the same as what Nifty's current FY23 price to earnings is at. At current levels, ZOMATO's market cap has crossed that of biggies like Tata Motors, Dabur, Godrej Consumer and Shree Cement as well. That's not all. It's shown a massive growth at the top line over the years, but profitability has eluded the company on both the EBITDA as well as the net profit front. But this is a new commerce company, a new business, so the key number to look at is new as well. The unit economics, the profit that the company makes per order has turned positive for the first time in FY21. The number is 20.5 rupees. Remember, this was led by a multitude of factors, but the key risk is now whether this sustains or not once things normalize, once you and I start eating out as against calling for food inside. It's a duopoly right now. Currently, the competition coming in from SWIGGY and potential disruption from Amazon may topple this apple cart as well. It's a highly underpenetrated, fast-growing market. The company's been assigned top dollar, even at the most optimistic projections. Now, whether this performance satiates the massive investor appetite or not, in the long term, the proof of that pudding will come much later in the eating. But for now, it's indeed a watershed moment.
It is a watershed moment indeed. Mangalam, many thanks for joining us. Now, going public is sort of growing up. Dipinder Goyal told me in an interview once. So after changing how India consumed food, ZOMATO is now riding to build an appetite among Indian investors who are scratching their heads